Graphics creation. Bitmap. 1. Large file size, especially for high-resolution images. 2. Suitable for photographs. 3. Pixelation. 4. Individual pixels have a color. Vector. 1. Small file size. 2. Suitable for computer illustrations/designs. 3. No pixelation. 4. Lines and curves design as shape. Animation. Object, an image or combination of images that is manipulated as one item. Layer, an object or image given its own timeline for independent manipulation. Animation, a series of images that are played one after another to simulate movement. Keyframe, a fixed frame that indicates the start and end of an animation. Frames in between are automatically generated by twining. Tween, an animation where the start and end points are set. The computer generates the actual images to make the animation change. Morphing, another term for shape twining. One image change into another image. FPS, frames per second. The number of animation frames rendered per second. A higher FPS means that the animation will be smoother. Motion tween, this only deals with the movements of an object, including rotation. In a motion tween, an object is positioned in the keyframes, and the computer fills in the gaps in movement. Shape tween, this allows a shape to be changed into a new shape, with the computer generating each step of the transformation. A shape tween can also include morphing.